How do I adjust the drive belt tension on a Dixon Mower Model 3362? Dixon manufactures lawn equipment including push and riding style lawn tractors. The Dixon Model 3362 is a gasoline-powered riding style lawn tractor that Dixon riding mowers require regular upkeep in order to maintain peak running performance. This maintenance includes checking and changing the oil, greasing the fittings and sharpening the mower's blades regularly. It also includes checking the drive belt tension, which requires tightening it too loose. Things you'll need: pliers, long screwdriver, socket set. Lift the engine cover and prop it in the upright position. Grip the spark plug boot with a pair of pliers and pull it free from the spark plug top. Locate the two wheel pulleys that the drive belt runs through. A bolt holds the left pulley in place and it can slide back and forth to adjust the belt tension. Wedge the long-handled screwdriver against this wheel pulley. Place the socket over the tension bolt and loosen it by turning it to the left. Push forward with the screwdriver against the pulley to increase the belt tension. Once it reaches the desired location, tighten the tension bolt with the socket. Replace the spark plug boot over the plug.